This is the iTrek 9 Ultralight. I'll just get some video right quick. We've got some serious waves out here on the intercoastal waterway today. Hopefully you can see. I am going wind behind my back at the moment, but these rollers are pretty significant. It's something you don't typically see out here in this waterway. The iTrek is handling it quite well. Just going smooth with every roll. Again, this is not wake. This is actually these are actual rolling waves. So the key is just kind of go with the wave. Don't try to force it. If you pedal too fast, you get up pretty high. Stuff it into catch up to a wave in front of you, stuff it into that, which I've done a couple of times already, but and just be on the lookout for any boat wake. But yeah, iTrek 9 really, Ultralight can really take these, take this light chop quite well. Again, if you're going at a 90-degree angle to the chop, it might be a little bit rougher. Caught into get your boat caught into that wave, but just riding with the chop, it's great. As you can see, it's really doing well. Love it. Makes for a little bit more of an exciting day than just your typical flat water.